You know, K.will's been he been putting out content and music for years and years, but everybody always remembers Please Don't. Like, can I double check on something?
I stumbled upon this MV.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we like to say MV.
11 years ago, goddamn. This is my cousin K.will. This is my old room in Miami, if you guys followed me for a while. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that it's been a minute since I've seen a K.will and Sungkook work together. What is this track called? Is that a broken watch? Alright, without further ado, this is the sequel to Please Don't, I guess. 2, 1. Captions on, okay. Coffee and tea. Well, that's Sungkook. Is that how you say that? Is that how you say his name? The actor's name? Smoking a cigarette. Oh shit. Oh. It's been a minute, huh? It's been a minute. Was that a moth? Sorry. A butterfly or moth or whatever. What is that noise? Is that crickets? Butterfly. It was a butterfly. Okay. Oh shit. Wait. It's a funeral? K.will. Ooh, K.will's voice is just so good. Wait, they're revisiting. And just to clarify, these are the same actors from the Please Don't MV, right? Correct? Please correct me. Right? Yes, okay. Oh, shit! I don't know why. I thought he was gonna hit him. I'm not ready. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. Oh. Who the hell is that? What kind of phone is that? That's a crazy bar right there. Sorry for interrupting. Let the story play out, Dre. There's no breakup song for me. That's crazy to say. Oh. He's gonna... Sorry, I'm just invested. I'm like quiet. I know y'all on each other's minds and shit. Oh, is that little rocking horse? Wait, whose death was that? In the beginning. Oh. Wait. What? Oh, they're going drinking. Oh, they catching up. Oh, shit. What are we? Damn, the close up on the don't be staring at him while he's sleeping. What Wait, what you? What you look at? Stop it. You got this. Nah, but what if it's meant to be? Like, what, I don't even know what's happening. Oh damn, K.will is killing in the background. I mean, he feels comfortable to sleep in front of you too. Is that a Doja in the ball? Wait. Oh my god. Okay, predictions are coming to my head. Because the other guy during the funeral in the beginning was not as disgruntled as Seongguk's character. Wait a second.
나한테 못한 말이 있는데.
No, wait. What is the translation? I don't even know.
너 한 번만 안
We need translations. We need translations. Stat.
봐도 되냐?
Yeah, talk that. Wait, I don't. He says, I have something to tell you, and then can I hug you?
We love you, Dre.
Oh my god, that scared me. Thank you for following. I was like, I heard Ian talk. I was like, what? He loved me. Thank you for following. What? What? Wait, what? What happened? Bitch, wait. Send me that TikTok, Andrea, to explain a little bit more. Sorry, I'm live on Twitch right now reacting to this, if you're seeing this on YouTube. So I'm talking to my chat. So wait. Is it?
보고 싶었어.
Okay, we need an explanation. Pause to read. Some of the details in K.will's newly released So Sad. No sad song for my broken heart. No song can express me music video. Okay, bet. It's like a minute. Seongguk's watch is 10/11 or October 11th, the release date of Please Don't music video. Okay, I wouldn't have figured it out, but that makes sense. Jaehyun's watch says 6/20 or June 20, the release date of the latest music video, which is Jaehyun's pool. I see. So a butterfly, a white butterfly appeared when Inguk was hiding from Jaehyun. An East Asian system of symbol of a white butterfly symbolizing the soul of a departed person. So Inguk is dead. Okay, so instantly. In this scene, Inguk is surprised when Jaehyun approaches. When he was surprised when he approaches them because Jaehyun's POV he can see and talk to. I knew it, bitch. I was like, my mind when I was trying to predict, I thought that Jaehyun was dead this whole time because he's going through it. Seongguk. So that's why I was like, is it the opposite? But it was the total opposite. It did a 180. Jaehyun's phone, BlackBerry Classic. Yeah, it's an old phone released in 2014, unsupported, not available as of June 2024. And Jaehyun's POV that he's still trapped in time where Inguk was still around. Inguk, on the other hand, has more of a modern phone. Correct. Jaehyun wants to believe that he still exists today. So it's the Jaehyun. Yeah, that part I I thought it was just like he's just playing along or something like that. In this scene, Jaehyun was showing Eungook that he has no longer his wedding ring. Maybe Loki tell him that he is available. That's why I thought. I was like, oh shoot. Oh my god, he was so young here too. He looks the same. In this teaser, I was waiting for this scene because I saw the teaser too. Wait, so they didn't even have it in the oh, that's crazy. Tunnel scene. There's something I couldn't tell you. Can I hug you once? Damn, the acting's crazy in this. Jaehyun's POV with Eungook. Yeah. That's why. Oh my god. Bonus on June 19, 2024. Eungook released a music video for the song "Out of Time." I'm still lost in time without you tonight. Oh yeah, he released a music video too. Oh, that's it. Bruh. Okay, it says at the beginning we see Eungook looking at An. He was shocked to see again An and alive. Also, we see a butterfly near. I don't know if you played Life is Strange, but every time a character travels back in time, the butterfly will appear near. That's an interesting example too. This is the first time he traveled back in time to save An. That's why he has an iPhone. An is a BlackBerry. He's able to travel back in time because of his watch. But now it's like a travel back in time type of theory. I see. Eungook's timeline is the one shown in the teaser. That's why. Oh, and the teaser and MV are so different. We can hear in the teaser that someone is the one saying I missed you, but in the MV, An is the one saying I missed you. That's right. Interesting theory. We could also see Eungook's timeline in the teaser. He tried to kiss An, but in the new timeline MV, he decided not to kiss An. Maybe that fact changed their future. That's why Son traveled back in the past to change his timeline in order to save An. Interesting. An repairs his watch and discovered that he is able to travel back in time. He decided to go to the first meeting after the events of the previous MV. That is their acquaintance's funeral in this timeline. An decides not to approach Eungook so he can be alive. An returns to the new timeline and saw Eungook. That's why he is now saying I missed you. We can see that Eungook is alive and smoking. Both of them are alive. Wait, hold the fuck up. Hold up. Okay, in the beginning, I did see him, like, you know, smoke a cigarette. I mean, everybody in Korea smokes, so. He has a broken watch. Bruh, I don't even want to play detective, but this is, I'm in there. He's smoking. There's another car. He sees him. It could be time travel. He hides. White butterfly. He feels, and that's why I was like, he feels so disgruntled compared to. This is all just a theory, y'all. That was a theory on Twitter that someone sent me. So it goes from Eungook's POV and then switches up At the beginning of the MV, we see Sungkook wearing a broken watch. Then he is at a funeral hall, sees Jaehyun, hides from him. Then when the butterfly crosses his face, in the next cut, we see Jaehyun covering the photo of the deceased and coming out, meeting Inguk, getting his phone number and staying in touch. We understood this much. Later in the workplace scene, we could see that Jaehyun also shows an empty hand to Inguk, meaning he told him that he is divorced. Then we see them two drinking and walking in a tunnel under the train. Then when Inguk decides to be bold and finally confess his feelings, he hugs him and waits for Jaehyun to hug him back, symbiotically asking him to like him back, which he doesn't. That is it. The actual story ends there. Inguk dies after that incident and Jaehyun's under the train in the tunnel. That's such, oh my god. Later, when Jaehyun attends Inguk's funeral, he is filled with regret and imagines a train of changing the way he behaved towards Inguk when he was still alive. Inguk is no more, but Jaehyun still wonders that had he not asked Inguk's number and stay in touch with him, the tunnel scene of Inguk's death wouldn't ever happen. So he imagines of not asking Inguk his phone number after that funeral and just letting him go so that both can live. This was the last scene. So to conclude, Inguk is dead and Jaehyun regrets it so bad that he imagines all the what ifs in situation that could have ignored Jungkook to make him alive by not staying in touch. He wears Jungkook's watch as a last sign of friendship and continues living and hoping that he could go back in time just to unmeet Jungkook. Damn. That is sad, bro. I'm crying as I type this. This person says, another possible way of interpreting this is Inguk was dead from the beginning and it was all Jaehyun's imagination. He knew about his best friend falling for him but couldn't reciprocate the feelings, so he didn't do anything. He's feeling guilty because he didn't do anything, and that's why he imagines a whole scenario of meeting Inguk at the funeral. We all can assume that Jaehyun did not want to be at Inguk's funeral, but just a random one in meeting him, exchanging contacts with him. The meaning behind having a BlackBerry represents that he's stuck in time. Yeah, that's the whole thing. iPhone represents that, and Inguk having an iPhone represents how much Jaehyun wanted Inguk to live, so that he is living in the present, utilizing technology just like every person who is living in the moment. So conclusion, Inguk is dead, never existed in the MV. Inguk's presence alone was Jaehyun's imagination and him creating scenarios. The broken watch that Inguk is wearing says a lot about him being already dead, and his soul just lingering around. Jaehyun mends it and keeps it with him as an item of remembrance. This is an alternate interpretation in case anyone disagrees. Either way, it's sad. Damn, bro, this is just sad. What the fuck? Jeez. Well, thanks K.will for making us feel again. Like, damn, what else am I gotta say? I mean, that's crazy. What do you guys think, chat? What do you think? Like, it's a K-drama set up. Hope he could miraculously come back to life. I will stick with the time travel theory. Time travel's kind of fire too. I mean, these are theories, and then it's nothing like, people don't take it seriously, please. I mean, you can take it seriously. It's always good to like, I mean, it kind of works. K.will, you're amazing. Your voice is amazing. Thank you for everything. Sungkook, Jaehyun, appreciate you for coming back and making us think and feel. And now think even more with all these theories.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.